Well, Big Brother might be watching, but what about when we're watching Big Brother?
We're always watching Big Brother. Okay, this I tweeted. Are you here? Matt from Boston. I think you're here. Anyway, if you're not here, it's fine. So this caught my eye on somebody else's tweet. And I go, let me look at this, look into this thing. You're going to do a lot of reading today, buddy, because my glasses are so horrible. I need to go to the eye doctor. I can't see shit. So, okay, on the left side, okay, this is from the Patent Office of the United States. Somebody dug into it. It wasn't my work. I usually dig into these things, but they dug into it and they tweeted it out. And I'm like, I read it. I guess I follow him. I'm not sure. Or he follows me. Maybe he tagged me. I don't know. That's not the point. The point is, Uber filed a patent on how the algo will match, or what it will look into when they're matching driver to rider and rider to driver, obviously, as well. The left side is what Uber algo looks into, the parameters of how to match with who and when, all that good stuff. And on the right is the driver. I mean, is the rider app patent that they filed. Okay? So here you go. If this doesn't say algorithmic discrimination, Uber, I don't know what else this says. This was like, I was like, first I read a couple of lines, Chris, and then I'm like, wait a minute. We've been talking about this for like 2 years now. This is on the Uber patent.
Thomas, thank you for your super chat. Appreciate it.
Thanks, man. Why is Trash Radar part of Uber Eats? What are they trying to match for deliveries? I've asked Sergio why, and he says it's what it does. Yeah, that's what it does, buddy. I mean, Trash Radar, part of Uber Eats, is part that, you know, when it's look, you also notice that you don't get too many trip radars when it's busy, but when it's not busy, everything is going on Trip Radar now. They're creating this FOMO auction system. And, you know, I mean, that's it. And Daniel is absolutely correct on this. But the language is kind of disturbing, Daniel. Daniel is a very smart guy, PhD student out of Ventura County, California. Safety incidents, yes, it was. But still, you know, it's my job to put it up here. So there you go, buddy. All yours.
Or do you want me to read the whole thing?
No, just whatever you think is important.
Or the highlighted.
Oh, highlighted is okay. The right screenshot is the passenger. The left screenshot is how the driver.
Okay, we'll just read it so everybody knows. Okay, all such factors may be compared against the user's preferences when the dispatch system 100 performs a matching operation. Additionally, or alternatively, each of the driver profiles 134 can also.
Don't read the numbers. Don't read the numbers. Don't worry about it. Those are the patent
age, height,
things.
Weight, gender, eye color, hair color, background, vehicle type, home address, citizenship, country of origin, and various driver preferences. In certain implementations, the dispatch system can further include a data compiler, which can pull third-party data from one or more third-party resources over the network. For example, the data compiler can pull reputation data via a resource interface for a particular driver. The reputation data can indicate background information of the particular driver relating to, for example, public service, studiousness, okay, work ethic, former military service, former law enforcement service, family background information, and the like. However, the reputation data can also indicate concerning information, such as a criminal history, violent background, an affiliation with criminal or scandalous group, delinquent financial behavior, or a propensity towards harassment, drugs or alcohol, other irresponsible behavior, etc. Such reputation data may be incorporated into given driver's profile for use during a matching operation by the dispatch system.
See, and all your knuckleheads complain. You think it's easy to run a rideshare network? Look what these people are doing over there. Look at this. Look at this. Just for a $4 trip that you're about to get matched.
Employees.
Unbelievable, bro.
I mean, if you looked at Lyft's matching system, I bet it's like a quarter of that. That's why they only have 4,000 employees.
Oh, I don't know, but I'm like, look at this. This is unbelievable. And then the right
Let's
side is
see.
for the passenger. The passenger was more interesting, actually. There you go.
So other factors may be concealed in the feedback data, such as a preference towards punctuality, a preference or lack thereof towards newer vehicles, an age range preference for the driver, and the like. The profile manager can identify and flag such preferences in the given user's profile. Additionally, or alternatively, each user profile can include various user information such as age, height, weight, gender, eye color, hair color, background, home address, work address, citizenship, country of origin, and various other user data preferences or configurations.
Can you freaking believe that? So a year and a half ago, I think I was like, when we had Len Sherman on the first time, I said to him, and I remember this like today, do you think every driver and every rider has like an AWS file on a server, right? He goes, absolutely. And here you
100%.
go, people. This is the things that the algo looks into before they match with a driver. And you all think it's only acceptance rate, cancellation rate, or how far you are and all that shit. No, no, no. Look at this shit. This is probably
your first 162 pages of your driver or rider profile is all of this information before it even gets to the rides.
I know, bro. This is insane, insane.
I would, you know what, Uber, I would love to see my driver profile. Can I see it, please? I will sign an NDA.
No.
I won't even talk about it. I just want to see it.
Actually, I would too, Uber.
Honestly, I would. I would sign an NDA.
Because
and
let me tell you something.
I wouldn't even talk about it then. I would be happy with the NDA just to see what actually is. I won't even allude to it after the fact.
Yeah. Okay. When let me tell you something, Chris. Okay. I am sure something happened in my profile on the left side. As a rider, I think I'm getting matched fine, but they're giving me like good cars and shit. As a driver, Uber, I have not received a reservation in more than 6 months, Uber. I used to get those like this. What is happening? What changed in my profile that you're stopping, me from receiving reservation trips?
I'm going to say it's probably bad reputation data.
Possibly. No, bro. I'm a 496 driver, man, with whatever. So I'm going like, I don't know. And you know what? I don't recall accepting and canceling reservations, because you know what Uber said, right? If you do it like a couple of times, we're going to slap you on the head. We're not going to we're not going to send you reservations anymore. I didn't do any of that. I'm not even getting the reservation to accept it, let alone cancel the damn thing. So Uber, I need reservations. Okay, there you go. Yeah.
All right. So very interesting when it comes to that. Maybe we'll have to dig into that a little bit more and see what's in there, because that was pretty interesting.
Given that, Tony, we're not going to talk about beards. Your beard kicks my whatever this is ass from here to Timbuktu.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.